This effect is created by StakeU1 channel Cyberland. You are not allowed to re-upload it as raw material or re-upload it as compilation video, but you are allowed to use it as your video effect.